Welcome to Go To Product. Today, I bring you a comparison of the top 5 drill on Amazon, and I'll share my personal opinion on each. Want to know which one is the best? Follow along and find out. At the end of the video, you'll see the final ranking with scores for each model. In the video description, you'll find purchase links if you're interested in any of these drill. Let's get started. The first, DeWalt 20V Max, is a true game changer for anyone looking to tackle projects with efficiency and flair. Its brushless motor does not just deliver longer run times than brushed models. It operates with a quiet confidence, conserving energy and cutting down on maintenance so you can focus on the task at hand without worrying about wear and tear. At just 7.6 inches from front to back, this compact powerhouse can slip into tight spaces where bulkier tools dare not venture, making it an essential companion for projects in cramped corners or under awkward shelves. Despite its compact size, it is remarkably lightweight, ensuring your arm does not feel like it has been through a workout after a day of drilling and driving. The ergonomic comfort grip handle is thoughtfully designed, providing not only balance and control but also a sense of ease that makes even lengthy projects more manageable. And then there is the LED light, a surprisingly sophisticated feature that casts a steady beam of illumination for up to 20 seconds after you release the trigger, transforming dimly lit workspaces into well-lit stages for your DIY brilliance. Whether you are assembling furniture, hanging shelves, or tackling ambitious renovations, this drill does not just do the job. It makes the process smoother, smarter, and oddly satisfying, leaving you feeling like a true craftsman every step of the way. The second, Craftsman V20 cordless drill is like the Swiss Army knife of power tools, combining versatility, power, and convenience into one impressive package. Armed with a high-performance motor capable of producing 280 unit watts out, this drill handles a wide range of tasks with the finesse of a seasoned pro. The 2-speed gearbox, with options for precision at 350 revolutions per minute or sheer speed at 1,500 revolutions per minute, lets you switch gears faster than a race car driver, making it perfect for any job from delicate fixes to full-on construction challenges. Its half-inch keyless chuck is a dream come true for anyone who has ever fumbled with bits, offering swift, hassle-free changes that keep your workflow smooth. To make sure you are never left in the dark, literally, the built-in LED light brightens up dim workspaces so you can drill like a boss at any hour. The 20-volt max lithium battery packs a punch with ample runtime and high-performance cells, and thanks to its speedy charger, you are back in action in less than an hour. Plus, its compatibility with the VersaTrack hang hook means you can store it like a pro when the job is done. Throw in a 3-year limited warranty for peace of mind, and you have a drill that does not just work hard, it works smart, ensuring every project is tackled with precision and style. The third, Avid Power drill is a compact powerhouse designed to make your projects not just manageable, but downright enjoyable. Its standout feature, a real-time battery level display, ensures you never face the dreaded mid-drill power failure, letting you stay in full control of your work and your charge. With 15+1 torque settings and a max torque of 280 inch-pounds, this drill handles everything from wood and ceramics to plastics and even metal, offering precise control to prevent any embarrassing over-drilling mishaps. Its lightweight, ergonomic design minimizes fatigue, while the rubber-covered handle feels so comfortable you might forget you are holding a tool. Adding to its charm is a flexible shaft for those hard-to-reach spots, an LED light to banish shadows from dim corners, and variable speed control with an electric brake function for precision work. The package includes a treasure trove of extras, from drill and driver bits to an extension bar and a magnetic flexible shaft, making it the Swiss Army knife of drills. Whether you are tackling household tasks or diving into a weekend project, this drill's efficient, user-friendly design ensures you get the job done with ease and maybe even a little swagger. The fourth, Black Plus Decker 12V drill is proof that great things really do come in small packages, and it is here to revolutionize the way you handle household projects. This lightweight cordless drill is perfectly designed for everyday tasks, offering the ideal balance between power and portability. With its compact design, it is an impressive 35% smaller than previous models, allowing you to maneuver it easily into tight spaces, awkward corners, or any spot where a larger drill might struggle. Despite its petite size, it packs a punch with a 550 revolutions per minute motor and an 11-position clutch, giving you precise control to tackle anything from hanging delicate picture frames to driving screws into tougher materials. Forget the days of over-drilling or slipping screws. This drill ensures every job is done with accuracy and finesse. To make things even easier, the trigger-activated LED work light brightens up dim or shadowy areas, so you can see exactly what you are doing without fumbling around. Comfort is not forgotten either, as the soft grip handle with rubber accents reduces vibrations and keeps your hands happy, even during longer projects. Whether you are a seasoned DIYer or just looking to fix that squeaky cabinet door, this drill is the perfect partner. It turns chores into opportunities to feel accomplished, and with its sleek design and thoughtful features, it might just make you look forward to your next repair job. The fifth, Milwaukee 2953-20 Impact Driver is the ultimate blend of power, precision, and versatility, making it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to get serious work done with style and efficiency. Designed to maximize productivity on the job site, this impact driver boasts the fastest driving speed in its class, proving that speed and strength can indeed go hand in hand. With a staggering 2,000 inch-pounds of torque, it effortlessly powers through even the toughest materials, from dense woods to stubborn metals, yet it does so with an elegance that ensures precision is never sacrificed. The exceptional trigger control provides smooth acceleration, allowing you to handle even the smallest fasteners without stripping screws or damaging surfaces, a feature that seasoned professionals and weekend DIYers alike will appreciate. Its Tri-LED lighting system is a game-changer, illuminating your workspace with a bright, shadow-free glow so that no detail is left unseen, even in the darkest corners or tightest spots. The 4-mode drive control adds another layer of adaptability, giving you the freedom to adjust speed and power for every task, whether you need a delicate touch for finer projects or maximum force for heavy-duty jobs. And now that we have described each product, let's see for which case each one is a good option. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss any new release. The DeWalt 20V Max Drill is a versatile and powerful tool, with its brushless motor providing excellent efficiency and long-lasting performance. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle in tight spaces, and the built-in LED light is perfect for dimly lit areas. However, the drill does not include additional bits or accessories, which might require extra purchases to complete your toolkit. I give it 5 stars. The Craftsman V20 drill offers impressive torque and speed with its 2-speed gearbox, making it ideal for a wide variety of tasks. Its ergonomic design and fast-charging lithium battery provide both comfort and convenience for extended use. On the downside, the included battery, while efficient, may not offer the longest runtime for more demanding jobs. I give it 4 stars. The Avid Power 20V drill stands out with its real-time battery level display and 15+1 torque settings, providing excellent control and visibility while working. Its lightweight and rubberized handle make it extremely comfortable to use, even for longer tasks. However, its maximum speed is relatively low compared to other models, which could slow down heavier-duty projects. I give it 5 stars. The Black Plus Decker 12V drill is perfect for household tasks, with its compact size and soft grip handle ensuring easy maneuverability and comfort. Its 11-position clutch provides precise control, preventing over-drilling. Unfortunately, its lower power output may limit its use for more demanding or professional projects. I give it 5 stars. The Milwaukee 2953-20 impact driver combines incredible speed and torque, with its 4-mode drive control offering unmatched versatility for various applications. The Tri-LED lighting system is a standout feature, making it easy to work in poorly lit areas. However, its high performance and advanced features come at a premium price, which might be a drawback for budget-conscious buyers. I give it 5 stars. And that's it for the comparison of the top 5 drill. See you in the next video. Goodbye.